Morning, folks. Hopefully you caught our special video on the solar system shift last night. We've got space weather to go over, and a top article furthering one of the key new aspects of solar climate forcing science. As we hopefully recall, we're monitoring the bright northern active region for flares. The massive sunspot group is technically labeled as two sunspot groups by the officials at NOAA, but this is wrong. It's one giant integrated system, and the bright fields tell us that. With the southern spots now departed, it becomes the primary focus on the sun, and apparently it's still shy, not making any big flares or CMEs. Hopefully she's not just waiting until she fully faces Earth to do so. That's the primary watch this week. Folks, if this one had been properly labeled as one massive active region, it would be pushing the limits for the largest one ever. It's certainly bigger than the biggest of Cycle 24, and probably just a shade smaller than the great 1947 sunspots. All in all, its spread is limiting its flare power at the moment. Eyes on her as she turns. Let's go to the Great Misdirection. A near-average qualitative scaling allows them to white out most of the blue on the global temperature charts, so they can talk only about warming. Here's what happens when you use real numbers. Things look a bit different, don't they? This is also the better comparison to modern warming as opposed to the cherry-picked cold spell they used for the starting block in the former. Hopefully you caught last night's video.